Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Brian, and if you are here today because you probably want to know more about Metabo Flex, and I'll bring you guys the most up-to-date review because this is a brand new supplement that just hit the market right now on this month of February in 2023 and is already doing wonders for so many people, and you might heard about this. So I have some critical and very important alerts and insights that you guys have to know before you actually go through your purchase with this product is the fact that Metaboflex is only sold on his official website. Since this is a brand new product and it's already trending, people are really trying to deceive you and give you non-authorized websites that are selling copies or sometimes even nothing delivered to your home. So pay very close attention to this. Don't buy Metaboflex anywhere else besides the official website. Matter of fact, I'm gonna leave the link right here on the description box and you guys can access safely the official website when you decide to purchase your Metaboflex, right? Keep going with the video, guys. I really want to point it out that Metaboflex is a breakthrough supplement that's involved a lot of science, a lot of testing to get to this formula. And if you're trying to lose weight and you already tried so many ways and diets and stuffs and nothing seems to work, I have to point out that that's not your fault. The main focus of Metaboflex is improve your metabolic flexibility and also your mood, give you more energy through the day. Metaboflex is unlike anything you ever see or try. It's a proprietary blend with 6 rainforest natural ingredients that are together with a perfect combination will help you to manage to lose weight by significantly improving your metabolic flexibility. Your body will enter in a fat burning total mode, and everything that you do will burn twice, sometimes even more than that fat that is normally usually do because of this modulation of your metabolic flexibility. This is doing wonders for so many people, and they are losing weight so fast and without any side effects or crazy diets and exercise routines, because not only will put your body in the correct state but also will help your mind and your mood so you'll not feel that cravings and don't and control your appetite and your hunger as well. And by reducing the calorie intake, this will help you to get a very safe and great journey to lose weight without so much effort and without so much crashes and problems that we have on that journey. All right, you guys might wondering if you can trust on Metaboflex, and yes guys, this is very trustful. This is a supplement that is made on a GMP certified lab. It has the FDA approval, so is everything that you have to know about it before you actually try, because this will help you and will get you on your goals. Right, these ingredients of Metaboflex is 100% plant-based soy and vegetarian and non-GMO. So it's 100% safe, guys. And the company will also give you a warranty for 60 days. So you can actually try the supplement for 60 days and see if you like it or not, and this will help you or not. People are really trying to take very fast steps on that, but I have to warn you that it's a natural supplement, so it might take some time to body to adjust, but once it adjusts, you will feel that every single day you're gonna wake up lighter than the day after. All right, you're gonna see it on your clothing and you're gonna see on your mood as well, because you're gonna feel awesome. All right, people that are using Metaboflex for 3 months or more are having incredible breakthrough results, and they are losing so much weight and they are having so much back on their lives. I highly recommend you guys to go to the official website so you can see every detail about the product, about the nutrients, and also the testimonial about the people that already use this for more time and have so many crazy results. Right? I hope this video helped you, and I see you guys around.